Hello guys, welcome back to DGA Tech. It's nice to have you back here. So in this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can be able to get 2 BNB from this platform I'm going to be showing you right now. So stay tuned and don't skip any part of this video so you don't miss out on any update I'm going to be dropping. So click on the bell icon and select all in order to get notified by YouTube whenever we drop another update in this channel. I've placed the link of this website in the description of this video. Once you click on that link, it will take you to the page. So once you come to the page, you enter your BNB address, then you select a password, then you create an account. So after doing that, you will be given a free miner which is going to help you to mine 0.0001389 BNB. But in order to earn high or mine high and faster on this site, then you have to purchase a miner. You just have to scroll down, then check out the mining plan they have here. The first one here is called times 1. You're going to be earning 0.0333 BNB per day, and it's going to be mining for 3 days, and you'll be getting a total profit of 0.1 BNB, and you can get this BNB mining plan for 0.05 BNB. So times 2 mining plan is going to be sold out for 0.10 BNB. I'll be making 0.066667 BNB per day, and it will be mining for 3 days. I'll be making a total profit of 0.2 BNB. Then X3 mining plan is going to be sold out for 0.25 BNB. I'll be making 0.166667 BNB per day, and it's going to be giving you a total profit of 0.5 BNB. So let's scroll down now to the last mining plan they have here, which is the times 12. So this plan is going to be sold out for 5 BNB, and you'll be making a minimum of 1.4285714 BNB per day, and it's going to be mining for the next 5 days, and you'll be making a total profit of 7.14 BNB. So whichever mining plan you want, you can purchase it, but before that, you have to update your account. So to do that, you scroll up, then you click on this button right here which says click here. Once you click on click here, it will take you to a page where you're going to be verifying or updating your account. You enter your email address, then you enter a new password if you want to change your password. But if you don't want to change your password, you enter your old password below here. After entering your password, you click on the save button right here. As you can see right here, account updated with success. So now to purchase the mining plan, you can then go back to the home page. You click on this 3/ above here, then you click on dashboard. Now you scroll down to the plan that you want to purchase, then you click on it. After clicking on it, you allow it to load up, then you scroll down and copy the wallet address that is right here. After copying the wallet address, you head on to your Trust wallet or your wallet, then you transfer the amount of BNB that you want to purchase. After transferring the amount of BNB, you're going to wait for like 1 to 3 minutes. After 1 to 3 minutes, it's going to reflect here in your account. After that, the mining plan is going to be unlocked automatically for you. So here is another way in which you can be able to earn more on this site. You click on affiliates, you click on this 3/, then you click on affiliates. So here right now, you're going to be seeing the percentage you'll be getting when you refer someone to this site. When you refer someone, you'll be getting 2% based on the mining plan you purchased. If you buy a high mining plan, you're going to be getting a high percentage per person you refer into this site. Now to withdraw, you click on this 3/, then you click on dashboard, and you scroll down. You're going to see the minimum withdrawal amount here is 0.1 BNB, and the maximum amount you can withdraw from this site is 100 BNB. So all you have to do now is to enter the amount here. Your wallet address is already here, then you click on confirm withdrawal. It's going to take maximum of 6 minutes for it to reflect in your account. After confirming the withdrawal, you just chill, then go back and check your wallet address is going to be credited. So this is all about how to mine 2 BNB from this site I just showed you right now. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, click on the bell icon and select all in order to get notified by YouTube whenever I drop another update like this. I'm still going to be dropping an interesting video that you're going to love very soon. So don't forget to click the bell icon, and see you all in my next video. Stay safe and God bless.